right, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in today's video how to spend a day in Uluwatu. Fun fact, I've actually never been to Uluwatu before. Kate's been there a bunch of times though, so she's going to take us around. Our driver's here. We hired him for like $500 for the day, which is about $50, so like $10 per person. We have arrived in Uluwatu finally. I'm trying to walk down the stairs and film at the same time. But we're currently at a spot called Thomas Beach, and this is the place that Kate said is not too busy. Last time she was here, there was like barely anyone here, because there's actually some beaches in Uluwatu that you have to pay like 1.5 million even just to go down to the beach, kind of where like Karma Canadra is and all those like really swanky resorts. But this is so cool. Basically, to explain this to you, we just came to like the edge of a parking lot. Jess found a good shooting spot. Walked kind of past the houses down here and going all the way down there.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
So we walked down the stairs. It actually wasn't too long of a walk down to the beach, but we're all just getting our photos. It's quite warm, the sweat is going, but it is absolutely beautiful here. It's kind of nice just to like be on the beach, because I haven't spent barely any time here being on the beach. What happened? Oh, Megan got her foot open. Well, it's not, it's just like a little skin. It's
just a little skin and blood.
Megan lost her toe at the beach. That's what will be the thumbnail. Worst thing can happen in Uluwatu. Losing your toe. I guess the worst thing that could happen to a person.
I lost the tip of my toe.
A little dramatic. You can clickbait it. I lost the tip of my toe in Uluwatu. Anyways, we just did a power shoot. I mean, kind of watch the sunset, but I mean, as a photographer, videographer, you much prefer to shoot it and then you can edit it back later with cool music. I have way more fun with that. Also, lots of men on the beach. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna go to get some dinner, and then we're gonna go to Single Fin Sunday, which is apparently a really big thing to do on a Sunday. It's not Finn's Beach Club in Canggu, but it's actually in Uluwatu, also called Finn's. Not really sure. The aftermath, everything's just laid out on the beach. Megan's poor little toe. They're still getting some shots over there, but it was such a beautiful sunset tonight. So we've just come up from the sunset and we're currently at LauraReidYT Homestay, which is a cute little place at the beach that Kate said she's coming for breakfast twice. So we're gonna get some beers and then some dinner, I think, because I am starving.
All I can see is your teeth.
The driver? No. She's like, if you guys haven't been here for a while, we have this reoccurring not so funny joke that we just yell penis when the other person's filming, just for fun. Basically to wreck their shot, and then they have to restart the vlog clip all over again.
Or you don't.
Or you don't. Cheers to that.
Cheers.